buonasera, and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight, I'm making a dish for you that is a typical Italian family dish. Children love it, adults love it. It's very simple and very delicious. You only have 20 minutes to make a delicious dinner? No problem. This is your go-to dish. We call it in Italy, pasta con burro e formaggio. Pasta with butter and cheese. And let me show you how to prepare it in very few minutes. So what I have is a stick of butter melting in my nice big frying pan. It's wonderful if you have a big frying pan like this, because remember, in Italy, what we say, we fare saltare la pasta. That means we make the pasta jump. I have about 1.5 pounds of penne that I just cooked, and I'm going to put it right into the pan, and I'm going to let it saute for a couple minutes in this butter, and we're going to add all of our sauce right to the pan. Just keep it on low because your pasta's cooked al dente, of course. Now, to this butter, we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. I usually add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. But again, I always say it's up to your liking. Some people like the sauce thicker, and some people like it a little more liquidy. We're going to add a little bit of course, Sicilian sea salt, the best salt in the world, 100% natural, never processed. Some freshly ground black pepper. And you just have this on low because you're just making all the flavors of the pasta sauce mix in with the pasta. And now what do we add? Of course, the best part of the meal, Parmigiano Reggiano. And I like to be very generous with my Parmigiano Reggiano. Now, the Parmigiano Reggiano in this dish does two things. Obviously, you have the wonderful flavor of the cheese, but it also thickens the sauce, so it thickens the cream and the butter, and you're gonna have a nice, kind of like a bechamel, but it's just butter and cheese, nothing else. And make sure that it's all coated. The Parmigiano is going to melt. Delicious, absolutely. Everyone loves it, children, adults, and it's a very comforting dish. Look at that, literally made in 10 minutes. Boil your water. Put your pasta in, buttare la pasta, cook your pasta, melt the butter, cheese, heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper, and that's it. A delicious, decadent dish. I hope you and your family enjoy it. Another wonderful weeknight dinner. So, buon appetito, tutti a tavola, e ciao.